Sis, you gotta celebrate yourself. So if you want to see some self-care tips you can practice on Valentine's Day, just keep on watching, okay? Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and then I have self-care ideas, okay, you can practice on Valentine's Day. Don't wait for anybody to pamper you. You own your happiness. You have to treat yourself. So number one on my list is to start that very day with a positive self-affirmation, okay? Stand in front of the mirror, beauty. Tell yourself, I'm going to be kind to myself today. I'm going to show myself love. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of everything good. Start that very day with a positive self-affirmation. It helps, okay? Don't wait for anybody to tell you, oh, you are looking good today. Oh, your makeup is looking bomb. You dress so well today on Valentine. No, start that positive self-affirmation, okay, on Valentine's Day. So beauty, the second on my list is to give yourself a luxury home spa. Have bubble bath, fill in that bathtub, light on a very beautiful scented candle, put on that relaxing music. If you drink wine, pop yourself a glass of champagne and then relax, okay? You can even do manicure, you can even do pedicure. You can even put makeup on your face. These are the things you can practice on Valentine's Day. Don't just sit down there and wait for your hubby or wait for your children or your friends to give you that red flower. No, you have to do it for yourself, okay? So the second on my list is having a home spa, a luxury home spa day. Then the third on my list is to cook your favorite meal. Or you can even take yourself out, go to your favorite restaurant. You can have coffee, you can have your favorite meal. What is it? You can even cook it at home with special love, okay? It is a way of celebrating Valentine's. Because, you know, years back, I used to think Valentine, somebody has to celebrate it for me. But as I grow older, I got to understand that I own my happiness. Okay, so I have to celebrate Valentine's Day the way I want it. So make yourself that your yummy favorite dish, okay? Sit in your living room and then chill and eat your food, okay? It is a way of celebrating your Valentine's Day. So beauties, the next on my list is to do something that brings you joy. If you love dancing, that very day, put on your favorite music and start dancing. If you love journaling, oh, best. If you love putting makeup on your face, even dressing so good, even when you are not going anywhere, whatever that you love doing that brings you joy, don't forget to do it on that Valentine's Day, okay? We're going to show our self-love. As you can see, I'm already showing my self-love, okay? So whatever that brings you joy, do it on that special day, because Valentine's Day, 14th of February, is a special day. For me, it is a special day for you. Don't wait for anybody to say, hey, happy Valentine's Day, sweetie. You're going to tell yourself, happy Valentine's Day to me, okay? So, beauties, the next on my list is to detox from social media. In fact, that particular 14th February, tell yourself, no social media today, okay? Use that time to meditate. You can even use that day to take a walk without your phone. Fresh air, the sounds of birds, okay? Meditate. You can even do yoga, you can even do journaling. But stay away from your phone, stay away from your from social media. Because one thing, if you dare try to on social media on that 14th day, you'll be seeing a lot of Valentine's Days and you'll be like, oh, this person got a car, this person got a bag, this person got this, and nobody celebrated my Valentine's Day for me. So detox yourself. If not for anything for that particular day, do it for yourself. Use that particular time to do something for yourself. Like I said, you can meditate, you can take a walk, okay? You can even sleep. Watch your favorite movie, okay? But stay away from social media. It is also another tips on how to treat yourself on Valentine's Day. Yes. So beauties, the next on my list, which I love so much because for some years now, I have already started practicing it. And I tell you, the joy that comes from it, money cannot buy it. Gift yourself something on that Valentine's Day. Don't wait for hobby. Don't wait for your fiancé. Don't wait for your friend to gift you something. Buy something for yourself. It can be a perfume. It can be a lipstick. It can be a makeup. It can be maybe a handbag, shoes, or even a flower. Just gift yourself something. I cherish what I gift myself, okay, honestly, than what other people give. I don't know what is it, but then whenever I buy something for myself, oh, that thing is always like a goal to me. So try to gift yourself something on Valentine. Don't wait for anybody. Maybe at the end of the day, hobby might give me something, but then I am not waiting for anybody to do what? To gift me something. I'm going to do it myself. It is a way of self-care. So don't rule it out on this Valentine's Day. So beauties, the next on my list is to plan a solo date. I know as a married woman, it sounds funny, right? You know, when we talk about solo dates, we feel like people who are looking for husbands or people who are looking for wives. No. Solo dates are so good. Like I am a mom of 6. Whenever I go on a solo date, I reflect. I feel energized. Okay? So you just go to your favorite coffee shop. You can even go to Kino. You can even, go to your favorite restaurant. You don't have to pack your family. You don't have to take hobby. If hobby wants to go with you, that is fine. But then do it for yourself. Okay? It is a part of self-care. It is a part of self-love. So plan a solo date for yourself and you alone, beauties. Okay? So beauties, the next on my list is to reflect and set a self-love goals for yourself. Yeah. You can even, at that very day, create boundaries. You don't want so, you don't want so. You can even do it on that Valentine's Day. And that doesn't mean after Valentine, you throw away all the goals you set for yourselves. You tell yourself, I'm not going to compare myself again because comparison, we all know, is a thief of joy. And after Valentine's Day, don't stop. Continue with that. Tell yourself how you want your year to begin. These are the things you can even do on Valentine's Day, beauties. Valentine's Day is a day of love. Show yourself love. Don't wait for anybody to show you love. Do it for yourself. And I tell you, you are going to be a new person. So beauties, here comes to the end of my beautiful videos. I hope you pick 1 or 2 things from this video. And if you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Comment beauties, like, share and subscribe please if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And I am wishing each and every one of us a happy and a lovable Valentine's Day. See you all in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed out there. Bye.